My back window in my truck is broken. That's what turbo power looks like. The poor XP1000 cannot do that. All right, let's go see if we can follow him. The 1000 is going to be working its ass off to do that. But we'll try it at least. The snow is deep. He's cut down like, I don't know, 2 feet, and they're not even to the dirt yet. It's kind of weird we're the first ones to break the trail, but nobody else is out here, so here we are doing it. Yeah, see, this is how deep this is. Above my knee. made it to the lime green one. At least I could see some rocks and stuff in here. It makes me feel a little better. He got me. Blasted me with snow. Try right there, because there's dirt there. Okay, never mind. When you start losing momentum, your RZR just sinks. Strong.
I pulled you out all by myself.
I'm probably just going to be stuck right here, watch.
No, you're good.
Good day. My back window in my truck is broken. It is just like 100% shattered. It just exploded.
Even if it was wasn't throwing that much mud. Just imagine the sound of the rock bouncing
Yeah,
off
but
there.
people, those are the kind of people that don't give a shit about anybody's stuff. All right, we made it home. That trip was pretty fun. What did we learn? That was the first trip with the RZR out with the new high gearing. So we learned that with really bald tires, see how bald these are? There's not much tread. Those do not do good in the snow. Not at all. So I really didn't use high a whole lot, but reverse and low are exactly the same because we didn't change anything with it. I did put it in high a couple of times where I could drive with it in high, and it did good. It was lower RPM. It still had good power even with these super heavy 32-inch octanes on there. So that's good. So as far as the RZR, everything performed pretty good. I mean, I was jealous. I was with my buddy with the Turbo S. Has way more power than my 1000. Whatever. Anyways, here you get to see what I was complaining about. Freaking got back to the truck and look what we got here. Broken glass. You know the most annoying part about that is I have to take the bed off. That's partially why the truck is already sitting in the lift right now. I have to take the bed off to replace the glass because it goes in from the outside. So that's annoying. So in one of the next videos, you'll be seeing me take the bed off. I won't be going into a lot of detail for that, but I do want to take the bed off, and since I'm going to have it off to do the glass, I'm going to repaint it. So if you look at it right now, there's a lot of rust and stuff going on here. So this coating that was on this thing when I bought it was not very great. We added these extensions and stuff for the RZR. So the rear tire goes here and we strap it in there. I need to do some modifying on some stuff. I got to drill some holes in things and rip some stuff apart, but you can tell this thing is pretty rusted up. So that'll be one of the next videos, as you get to see me take that off of there, wire brush it down. Yeah, I know. That's going to be super exciting because I want to do the top part of it and the underside of it. So I already started disconnecting stuff. I got to take a couple more bolts out for the bed. And then I'm just going to pull the truck forward and use the lift arms to lift the bed up. Then I have the bed away from the truck so I can replace the rear glass and start using a wire brush to sand the bed down. So that's not going to be fun at all. I'm not looking forward to it. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, all those things. Or don't if you don't want to. No big deal to me. I'll continue to put videos up as long as I feel like putting videos up. See ya.